Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present me and my group's final project in industrial automation. Our final project is about potato chips production that we have made in CX Programmer and designed in CX Designer. This presentation and final project was made by me, Raditya Indrastata Hartawan, alongside my friends Hafiz Ilham, Laksamana Naufal Effendi, Muhammad Haryodimas Dewantoro, and Radinka Isa Muhammad Anbia.
On, we have the background. So, for our industrial automation final project, we created a simulation of a potato chips production machine where it goes over the process from freshly peeled potatoes until the packaging. So here we have the machine itself. Here we have that it starts from the elevating machine or the elevating device where it elevates the potato into continuing on throughout the machine, and it ends with the seasoning device where it seasons the potato until you are satisfied with the flavor.
Of the potato chip production. First is the elevating machine. The elevating machine will bring the potato up to the potato washing and peeling machine. The potato washing and peeling machine will wash the potato and peel the potato. Third is the picking line. The picking line will move the potato into the next elevating machine. The elevating machine number 4 is the same as elevating machine number 1. The fifth potato slicing machine will slice the potato into a potato chip size. 6. The bubble washing machine is to wash the potato again with the size of the potato chip. 7. The blanching machine. The blanching machine will blanch the potato. 8. The vibration dewatering machine is to remove the water from the blanching machine. 9. The air drying machine is to air dry the potato. 10 is the elevating conveyor. Elevating conveyor basically is the same as the elevating machine to bring up the potato. 11. The continuous frying machine is to fry the potato. 12 is the vibration de-oiling machine is to remove the oil from the frying machine. 13 is the air drying machine is to remove the or to air dry the machine from the oil. 14 is the elevating conveyor. The elevating conveyor will bring up the potato. 15 is the seasoning machine is to season the potato chip. And last is the automatic weighing is to weight the potato and to package it.
So the list of actuators and sensors that we use in this final project, uh, we use 7 actuators and 5 sensor. For the first actuator, we use linear actuator, which is in conveyor, and after that we use spiral brusher for peeling, water pump, pneumatic actuator for slicing, and pneumatic angle seat valve, vibrating motor for dewatering and de-oiling, and the last one is fan for air dryer. And then for the sensor, the first sensor is proximity sensor, distance sensor, flow sensor, temperature sensor for blanching, and the last one is temperature sensor for frying.
Okay, up next we will show you the control block diagram of the potato chip manufacturing process. So it has 4 control block diagrams with 1 open loop and 3 closed loop. Let's start with the open loop, which is the proximity sensor for potato detection. So the set point is the distance, and then it will go through the proximity sensor to measure its distance, and then distance controller, and then it will be outputted to the linear actuator or conveyor. And then the result is the new distance. And then second is the flow sensor for water in bubble wash. So water flow is the set point of this control block diagram. And then it will go through the main controller, flow controller, and then the actuator which is a pump with environment disturbance. And then it will get feedback to the flow sensor to measure its flow. And then The result of the control block diagram is the new water flow. And third is the temperature sensor and blanching machine. So the temperature is the set point, and then it will go through the main and temperature controller, and then for the actuator is a pneumatic angle seat valve with environment disturbance as well, and then the temperature will get feedback to the temperature sensor to measure its temperature, and the result of this control block diagram is the new temperature with values ranging from 60 to 95 degrees Celsius. And then finally, it's the temperature sensor in the frying machine. It's almost the same as the third one, but this one has a different desired temperature. So yeah, temperature is the set point, and then it will go to the temperature controller, fryer as the output, and then feedback to the temperature sensor, and then the result is temperature in 180 degrees Celsius or more.
So in the first round, it's just simple start button to start the machine, and after that, the run button will be connected to the conveyor, washing, and air dryer. After that, conveyor will deliver the potato into the slicing machine. After slicing is done, it will continue to water pump scroll. And after that, if it's done, it will go to bubble wash and blanching machine. And the blanching, it will be open if the temperature is di atas apa?
Above.
Yeah. If blanching machine will be start if the temperature above 95. And after that, if the temperature is above 95, the pneumatic angle will have to be open. Next. And if this is just the blanching temperature, and if the temperature is below 60, it will close the valve to gather the heat. And after that, it will be continue to vibrating motor, and it will wait to dry for about 45 seconds, and then it will start to be fried. Just as the same as blanching, this temperature is above 180, and after frying, it will be seasoned and it will be packaged.
Okay, before the simulation is shown, it's important to set the appropriate values for both the blanching and also for the frying. Here we can see that D0 is the set temperature of 59 degrees, and then D1 is the lower limit, and then D2 is the upper limit. Of the lower limit is 60 degrees, and the upper limit is 95 degrees, meaning that the blanching process takes place in between these two temperatures. D3 is the same as D2. And then for the frying, we can see that the D4 is set to 170, and D5 is the actual operating temperature of the frying machine. So if we set the temperature to 180 degrees, the potato is then can be fried, seasoned, and then packaged as the final step of the process.
Okay, so here is the design of the potato manufacturing process using CX Designer. First, on the top left, there are the buttons start and stop. and then on the right there are the LED lamps run. It's on when the start button is pressed, and then done, and then the done LED is on when the process from conveyor until package are finished. Okay, so we just start the process, and then as you can see, from conveyor until the bubble wash, the process is on. And then besides the blanching machine, there is a temperature controller. We assume that's a temperature sensor. So if it's in the range, it will continue the process. But if it's, for example, below 60, like 59, the pneumatic angle valve will open. So we go back to the range, and then there is the vibrating motor for the oiling and the watering process. Then so we wait the timer. Okay, so going through the frying machine. In the frying machine, we can also control the temperature. It will go to the next steps if the temperature is 180 degrees Celsius or above. And then the seasoning process. After that, the packaging process, and then the process is done.